About to show you guys how I did this style, and really you just need to watch the video and just repeat the steps that I show you, and that's really how you do the style. And let's get into the video. I don't want to talk too much. Alright, you guys, so you're going to start by parting your hair from ear to ear, vertically and horizontally. And that's just how I did my pre-part. So I did 2 rows from the bottom up, and then in the other sections, I just did rows until I couldn't no more. So yeah, this is just going to be one twist because this is the front part of my hair. So I split that part in half and started one lock. And in one lock, I take the bottom half of the part and I braid it into an individual braid. And then after I braid into the individual braid, I'm going to crochet in the hair. And then I'm going to put some gel on to the top part, and I'm going to flat twist it down and pin it. And I'm using Shining Jam and Edge Effect to lay down my hair. And I'm twisting to the right. And I'm going to do this on the other side too. After you've twisted both sides of the lock, you're going to get the other side, and you're going to put the right side over the left one and twist in the same motion that you were doing the individual pieces as you 2-strand twist down. So if you keep watching, you're going to see my hands twist each strand as I'm twisting. And this technique is called Senegalese twist. So you're going to just keep twisting it up and down depending on the strand that you have in your hand and which hand you are using. I twisted these all the way down until I couldn't twist anymore. And then when I got done, I found where I wanted it to end, and I put a rubber band right there just to make it easier for me. And then I wrapped it upwards around itself. And I'm going to show you how I did that. you move up the head, your hair is going to become a little thinner as you twist down. So you're going to need to add hair, and this is how I added hair. I'm going to show you twice. It's just the same type of twisting motion, just after you putting the hair into the twist. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know what other things you want to see.